Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your insurance with Voya detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your insurance with Voya, start by gathering your personal information. Ensure you have your policy number ready for reference. Visit the official Voya website through your preferred web browser. Look for the login or sign in option on the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account, locate the Register or Create an Account option. Follow the prompts to create an account by providing the required information. After logging in, navigate to the Insurance section of your account dashboard. Select the specific insurance policy you wish to activate. Click on the Activate or Manage Policy option. Read through any important information regarding the activation process. If prompted, enter any additional information needed for activation. Review all the details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Confirm your activation by clicking the Submit or Activate button. You should see a confirmation message once the activation is successful. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Voya customer service for assistance. Keep a record of your activation confirmation for future reference. Your insurance policy is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.